This is Damon Stevens with FinWealth Builders, and today is Thursday, July 29th, 2021. And this is the market update on our activity today. The market was up today, and we'll get into the stocks that we were watching. Hopefully, you were able to check out our video last night and you got some stock ideas for today. It was a good day in the market. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel, FinWealth Live, and that way you continue to get these videos brought to you and updates during the week. Monday through Thursday, and well, actually Sundays when we do our prep video for Monday, but Monday through Thursdays when we do most of our videos. And now that we're heading the weekend, this will be the last video for this week. So hopefully you get something out of it. We're not financial advisors or brokers. We're just sharing with you what we're trading each day to hope that it helps you or gives you some value. If you look at the market today, Dow Jones was up 0.44%, NASDAQ up 0.11%, and S&P 500 up 0.42%. So another great green day. China has continued to help us out here. It was a little mixed today though, but green the last couple of days. We'll see if it continues. You can see overall on the world heat map that everything's doing pretty well. FANG stocks was mixed today. Tesla did awesome today. We'll cover that, and we cover it every day. But banks were strong, financials were strong, industrials are strong. So overall, market was great. Top ticker today was XBIO. We'll cover that one as well. But overall, the market was a good green day. Looking at the chart, though, I'm looking at how it's reacting, and to me, it looks like the market might be coming down a little bit. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. I mean, it could rally up tomorrow, but for me, is looking at the charts, it looks like tomorrow might be closing out the week down a little bit. Could be wrong, but that's what the charts tell me. XBIO, nice run. Nice little rally here from $4 all the way up to $5, and not as big as some of the others we've had in the past. We'll watch this one tomorrow, see if it gives us a little bit more. But again, like I always say, these small cap stocks, if you get even 50 cents on a good amount of stock, it can still give you a great day. Earnings, Tuesday, Wednesday obviously were the best days for me personally for my trading. Thursday wasn't too bad. Friday, a little light, so not expecting a whole lot tomorrow. But I'll be watching how all these stocks close out the week. A lot of them have been elevated or have dropped, and so we're going to see if there's some action tomorrow we can take advantage of. PayPal had a huge drop. Traded this one yesterday. I did well for me. You can see that today gave you a couple opportunities. The low was 281.60, high was 289. So, a little chop back and forth. So if you got some of that, great. If you shorted it, you can see here that it continued to drop lower. You could have caught some on that run as well. I didn't short it, but I did catch the initial bounce. And I caught last night, which was more profitable than today for me. Facebook, same thing. It was profitable for me last night. Again, grabbed a lot of that. Had a dip here, the low of 357.75, high of 360. So a couple bucks back and forth throughout the day. We'll see what tomorrow brings. But expecting this could possibly pop up and give us a few dollars tomorrow. Bntx killed it. Been killing it the last several days. On this stock has just continued to rally up. It rallied again up today from a low of 309 up to 328, and then it kind of settled down and it was kind of chopped. Gave you a few dollars here. The low here was 303, back up to 314. So this one might become my next Tesla if it continues to perform the way it has. But it's been selling out here, so it may pause here and start to consolidate. But we'll keep an eye on it. But it's been a great stock. Apple gave you a little bit of a ride too, 144 to 146. 55, so $2, and then it's kind of consolidated. We'll see if this remains flat for the rest of the week. It's low on my priority list, but still on my list. Microsoft's pop again too. That's what I love about earnings season is you get lots of these volatility moves. So $2 today, but flat overall for the rest of the day. Tesla every day. Every day it gives us a run. So 647 was a low, 683 was a high. So nice, nice smooth run. It's flat, dipping down back a little bit below the 50 here. So we might have a little bit of a pullback, retracement, which is normal. If it does retrace tomorrow, I could see it possibly come down to the 100 here at 670, or it could decide to rally and come back up here and try to break out again at 683. So see what the morning action brings and trade it accordingly. AMD, great run. Holy cow! I thought this was going to hit 100 and bounce down. So, if you wrote it all the way up to 105.74, congratulations. Wow, this is an amazing ride today. $89 to 105.74. You can see that as it kind of reached up here, close to that 100, we had a bit of pullback and then boom, just skyrocketed back up and just kept on going. It's settled back down here on the 50, so we'll see if it decides to retrace after this huge run tomorrow. But wow, AMD did well today, so if you got that, congratulations. Google, we've been watching this one as well. Had a lot of trades on this one. It looks like it's pulling back. This one probably doesn't come off my list this week, just because there's so many stocks with earnings. I just can't track them all or trade them all. 2 or 3 is what I like to trade the most. 4 is pushing it for me. Otherwise, I start losing track, and then I lose money. And so I'd rather just get 1 or 2 a day if I can. So Chewy can, pulled up here, try to hit a new high early in the day, and then pull back here. It's still above all the moving averages, but showed a little bit of weakness today. Some of the other stocks did as well. So that's why I'm wondering if there's going to be a slight pullback in the market overall tomorrow. Amazon, same thing. Pull back, it's on the 20. We'll see if it can hold that. If not, then it's in this channel that we talked about last night as well. Dollar flat today, right at the 50. VIX pull back a little bit more like this. It's underneath this resistance, support line. There was resistance, and now it's resistance for it. So we'll see if that can help us out with the market. Market went to new high, bounced back down a little bit. To me, that's just, a try. It can, try to break again against it, or it could try to break down here a little bit. Right now, pulling back 50% on its high for the day. Could be a recocking of the gun, could be ready to shoot back up again. But we'll see. I think this might just retrace or stay flat tomorrow. Triple Qs, it's just flat within this channel. Semiconductors, nice little rally up here to towards the high, but it's under this resistance level. We'll see if it can break out tomorrow. AMD kind of help that run. IWM, you see here, pretty well flat, just under the 50. Financials, nice little rally up. It tried to break this resistance line and then it pulled back. So it's right underneath it. We'll see if it can break out here tomorrow, or if it's just going to continue to stay in this channel that's been in for a few weeks. Gold, nice rally up. Tried to break the resistance line, failed, just barely under it. Just trying to break through. You can see it try to do it before here. So we'll see if it can rally through it and break through that. Silver making a run back. It's just barely above that 200 mark. So we'll see if it can try to break through that resistance level. But it's trying to rally back in as well and get bullish. Bitcoin is flat. Again, another day flatness. We'll see if that continues. It's been this channel for weeks. Still in the channel for this week. So we'll see, what Bitcoin does to try to break out of this. Ethereum broke above this trend line. It's above support now. So we'll see if that continues to rally up. It looks very good on the charts. Looks very bullish. Doge pretty much kind of idle. It's above the 200 now, which is great, but still pretty flat. So we'll see. It's got to have something momentum or something to drive it up north. But that's where the market's at. We have earnings, again, finishing out tomorrow. Caterpillar, like we covered on the charts out there. If you need to go back and review it, just review the video again. But we have Caterpillar, P&G, AbbVie, Chevron. So we'll see if those can bring any additional help with us tomorrow. Be careful trading tomorrow. It's the end of the week. Stocks, options will be coming to expiration that they'll be closing out for the week, and the market had good rallies this week. So we'll see what tomorrow brings, and just play safe out there. Enjoy your weekend coming up, and we will talk to you Sunday night for Monday morning prep. Have a great night.